Edo Governor Obaseki don sign into law the 2024 revised supplementary budget of 404 billion naira with an increase of 22%. The signing shele for Government House Benin City. For tok with Tori pipo, Obaseki tok say him don sign into law the revised supplementary budget for Edo State and dem get to amend the 2024 Appropriation Act wey dem pass late last year sake of new development wey don come up for the economy for the first 5 months of the year and say dem increase the budget to about 22%.
We have just approved and I've signed into law the revised supplementary budget for Edo State. We've had to amend the 2024 Appropriation Act, which was passed late last year, because of the developments that have occurred in the economy in the first 5 months of the year. We have had to increase our budget by about 22% to about 404 billion from the earlier projected figures. The reason we had to do this was first because for the first quarter of this year, we saw a 100% budget performance for that period. We also noticed because of the inflationary trends in the economy that we've had to adjust our capital budgets to reflect the new inflationary trends we're seeing. We also had to make a decision on the minimum wage, which has financial implications which we did not anticipate in last year's, the earlier appropriation law, which we had to amend. We expect that even with the new, the revised and supplementary appropriation bill, we will meet the target of the 404 billion, which is now the proposed budget for the year. I think what is important to note is that we're still spending more on capital than on recurrent expenditure. Thank you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.